Welcome, guys. So we have few of our friends here from Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Sir, can you just tell me about your culture and how did you like India and how's the experience?
It's a really great experience. This is our first time to be here at the Surajkund International Festival. Zimbabwe, we're proud to say that we're here to come and present our culture to the whole world so that the world can see how beautiful and how rich our culture is.
It is, it is. You guys are looking fabulous. Can you just tell me a bit about your attire and what does this represent?
These are animal skins made into skates, and these are foot rattles that we use. They produce the sound when we do our dancing. But these are called amashwai. Amashwai. Yeah. Amashwai. Yeah, that's foot rattles. Then this is called ibechu. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for giving us this bit.
You're welcome.
Thank you, guys.